In this tutorial, we will understand how to set up real-time rates and label printing using WooCommerce Stamps.com USPS plugin. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, click on Settings option to get started. The plugin settings are divided into 5 tabs. First, the General tab contains the API settings and sender details settings. In the second tab, you can configure real-time rates and services. The third set of settings is to configure label generation. In the fourth tab, you can select desired parcel packaging method. In the last section, you can enter your plugin API key and your registered email address to activate the Stamps.com plugin. Let us get started with the general settings of the plugin. The first setting is to enable the Stamps.com real-time rates. If this setting is disabled, you cannot access any services from Stamps.com. In the next set of settings, you must enter your Stamps.com user ID and password. You can get these credentials by signing up for a Stamps.com account on their website. The next setting is to enable the debug mode. If you are not getting rates or are running into trouble with the plugin, you can enable this setting, and check the request and response information on your WooCommerce cart and checkout page. If you wish to change the shipment creation time on the printing label, you can specify the time value in the time zone offset setting. This value is taken in minutes, and will be added to the current time. With the next setting, you can switch between test mode and live mode. You can try out the settings in the test mode, and switch to live mode for real transactions. The last section is to enter sender details. You can enter sender name, company name, address, email and contact number. Once all settings are configured, save changes. Moving to rates and services settings. In the first setting, you can enter a custom title for Stamps.com shipping method. This title will be visible on the cart and checkout page, under shipping options. In the next setting, you can choose where you want to offer the Stamps.com shipping services. You can select all countries, or choose specific countries. The next setting is to enter the sender's origin postcode. This postcode is used to calculate real-time rates, from the sender to the customer's shipping address. In the next section, you can enter fallback rate. If Stamps.com fails to return any rates, this fallback rate will be applied. This allows your customers to check out the process even when Stamps.com does not return any rates. Next setting is to priorities flat rate. Tick this checkbox if you wish to give higher priority to flat rates, when package rates and flat rates are available together. Moving to services table. For each Stamps.com service, you can set a custom name, choose desired packages, and set price adjustments for each package type respectively. You can set amount value, or percentage value for price adjustments. In addition to this, you can assign priorities by dragging and dropping services to desired position. Select desired Stamps.com services and move further. The next setting is the box measurement unit. Tick this checkbox if you wish to use the same weight and dimension unit defined in the WooCommerce settings. If this setting is unchecked, by default, pounds and inches will be taken as units for weight and dimension respectively. If you are shipping globally, you need to enter your internal transaction number in this field. This number is used for some international packages that use multi-page form, and may require electronic export information to be filed through automated export system. Once all settings are configured, click Save Changes. Moving to label generation settings. First setting is to enable Stamps.com Account Manager. Tick this checkbox to enable Stamps.com Account Manager meta box in WooCommerce admin order pages. With this setting, you can add funds to your Stamps.com account to purchase more postages, right from your WooCommerce order page. The next setting is to select the type of printing label. Our plugin provides 4 label types. Select desired choice and move further. If you have selected PDF as your label printing format, the plugin offers you to choose paper sizes for the same. With the next setting, you can select desired print layout for generating labels. You can select desired print layout for your labels. Next, tick the hidden postage checkbox to hide the actual postage amount on print label. This feature is useful for users who wish to hide the actual postage amount from the recipients of packages. With the last setting, you can offer insurance option to customers. The insurance option provides coverage in the event that the packages may be lost or damaged while in transit. Tick this checkbox to enable insurance option. This will send the total amount to Stamps.com for insurance. Click on Save Changes once all settings are configured. Moving to the last set of the settings, which is Parcel Packaging. Our WooCommerce Stamps.com plugin provides 3 parcel packaging methods. The first method allows you to pack items individually. The second method allows you to pack into boxes with weights and dimensions. Once this option is selected, you are required to select a packing algorithm. You can select volume-based packing, wherein the items are placed in the box, based on total volume of both items and the box they are packed into. The second algorithm is the stack first packing algorithm, where items are stacked or piled onto one another, based on either length, width, or height of items as well as the box they are packed into. You can refer this blog article to understand stack first packing algorithm. Moving to box dimension table. This table consists of all the predefined boxes provided by the plugin. You can enable desired boxes as you like. Each box is displayed with its inner and outer dimension, box weight as well as maximum weight. If you want mail letters, you can tick the respective letter checkbox of the box. In addition to this, you can also add custom boxes of your own. The last parcel packing method is the weight-based method, wherein you need to set a maximum box weight limit and select how the items have to be packed. You can pack the heavier items first, pack lighter items first, or pack purely divided by weight. Finally, select your desired packing method, and click Save Changes to save the settings. Now it is time to see these settings into effect. When a customer adds a product to the cart, our Stamps.com plugin fetches real-time rates and displays them on your store's cart page in this way. The customer can change the address to see updated shipping rates. In this way, you can access Stamps.com USPS real-time rates on your WooCommerce store. When a customer has placed the order successfully, you can move to your WooCommerce order page for generating shipping labels. First, select an order for which you want to generate a label. Move to the Stamps.com shipping label meta box, and click on Generate Packages button. Next, the plugin allows you to update the shipping service and package type. You can also see the cost of the services as well. Select your preferences, and click Create Shipment. Once the shipment is created, you can proceed with printing the label. Click on View Label to view the generated label. Finally, click on Print option of your browser setting to proceed with the label printing. If you are shipping internationally, the plugin will generate international shipping label. Here's how a sample international shipping label looks like. In this way, you can print label with our Stamps.com shipping plugin with USPS postage for WooCommerce. To know more about the plugin, refer the product page. To understand each feature of the plugin in details, refer the product documentation. And for any queries, feel free to get in touch with us on our website.